Hello folks, Jim here with the Twin Home Experts, home of the Bath Planet. We get questioned all the time. What's the difference between your shower pan versus your competitors? So we're going to go ahead and answer that question for you right now. Come on over.
All right, so let's go ahead and go with, we'll call it Twin 1, which is here. Twin 2, which is our Bath Planet shower pan. Right off the bat, folks, as you can see, this is a custom color. You can't get that custom color, meaning matching your shower walls. So here, our competitor is just going with either a biscuit or a white. This is a biscuit. This pan here, as you can see, is going to be our travertine. Okay. So again, a custom color. You won't be able to get that in this shower pan. The other thing, as well as this, is way more slippery surface, whereas the Bath Planet system is a lot more gritty. It's way more coarse, so you're not going to slip. One of the big benefits, if we go to Twin 1 here, is that this insulation, you can see it's just it falls apart. It's very light. Okay, very light. If you come to Bath Planet, it's just so much durable. You can't peel anything off. It's just soundproof, extra thick. It's just solid, folks. Look at that. You can't even peel that off. It's much thicker, so your shower pan's going to stay warmer, but more importantly, you're not going to get that flex, meaning no movement. The sound, let's see if we can capture the sound here. And let's go to a lot more noise there. All right, the other factor is, as you can see, this here I can pick up with one hand. The Bath Planet now, on the other hand, takes two.
Okay, all right.
So much heavier, folks. So folks, here's our shower pans. Look at this here. There's actually no noise. There's no flexing. It's just absolutely solid. The other benefit as well is it's got a really nice grip to it, so it's a non-slip surface. Again, look at that. There's absolutely no flex, no noise. There you have it.